welcome back to Red a Ted Art. Yes, it's finally another corner bookmark. We haven't made these for a while, and I thought with our St Patrick's Day special week, we'd make an adorable little kawaii shamrock bookmark. Come on then, let's take a look and see how they're made. To make your bookmark today, you will need a green piece of square paper and your scissors. And these are just some extras for decorating and details. But in honesty, that's all you need. So let's make our basic corner bookmark. You take your square, this is about 15 by 15 centimeters. You fold over one corner. Bring one corner up. Repeat. Open. Bring one flap down. Bring the corner over. Tuck it in. And the same again. Tuck it in. Now you have your basic corner bookmark in green, and this fits over your book. Now we're going to flip it round and we're going to turn it into a shamrock. Actually, we're not going to flip it around. I'm going to use the back to help draw my shamrock. And the first thing I'm going to do is go to the middle of this page, to the middle. And this is going to be the top half of my shamrock. And this is the next three. Now, when you're drawing your hearts, it's really important to keep a straight line. So here's a straight line. So it's not a perfect heart. So I've got a straight line there, a straight line there, a straight line here, this side doesn't matter so much. So you're kind of sketching out three hearts to make a shamrock. And a stem. You can rub those lines out later, so I'm just showing you this. So can you see? One heart, two, and three. Keep these straight lines, otherwise it will fall apart. Take your scissors and cut out your shape. And your basic bookmark is already finished, but I like adding detail. So this is going to be the back, this is the front. I'm going to use a black pen, a nice thick marker pen. Remember, you've got your connections here, and I'm going to just basically trace out the detail of my shamrock. So your basic shamrock is finished. Now I just like a little bit of kawaii, so I'm just going to add a cute little smiling kawaii face as a detail. I might use a slightly thinner pen actually for the mouth. Add some little pink cheeks. And your Shamrock bookmark is finished. So let's take a look at what it looks like in the book. Here's the other one. Aren't they adorable? So quick and easy and perfect for St Patrick's Day. Anyway, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, above all subscribe. But please do keep watching and keep making, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.